Here it is, the TMW cargo rack for the Pro R, Turbo R, and ProXP. If you're familiar with the Turbo S cargo rack that we make, it's pretty much the same thing except for the way it mounts. We use these little hooks to hook into the factory bed, 4 bolts, and the whole thing's installed. The cool thing about this is it gives you 3 spots for hauling tools. Like in this bag we have our goggles, headsets, belt, TMW blanket, some of those things to keep you warm, and then of course our ice chest in the back. You can remove any one of the things, like this little Milwaukee bag. You can move it out, and then your boxo bag is still secure, and so is your cooler. That's what's cool about the way we do the strapping. You can also use these hooks to use normal ratchet straps to put something bigger. If you need to haul something odd size in the bed, it gives you a little bit more flexibility that way. But yeah, these cooler racks, something we just finished. They're available on our website at TMWOFFROAD.com, and you can get these. Check out the way we mount. So these little hooks just drop in, right? Grab the side of the bed, use 1 bolt, bolt it in. You just do that 4 times, and it's installed. It's easy to pull out. Like if you pull the bed out to do an oil change, it just comes with your bed, so there's no unbolting to remove your cargo rack out of the way when you're servicing the vehicle.